In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text in Fusion 360. By the end, you'll understand exactly how to place clean, readable text on your design using the built-in text tool and how to set it up so it looks the way you want. First, you'll need a place to put your text, and that starts with a sketch. Select a plane or a flat face where the text should appear, then click Create Sketch. If you're working on a brand new design, the origin planes are a reliable choice. If you're adding text to an existing model, pick a planar face that's oriented the way you want the text to read. It helps to align your view normal to the surface so you're looking straight at it, which makes placement and sizing more intuitive and avoids distorted previews. With your sketch active, open the text tool by going to the top toolbar and choosing Create, then Text. This brings up the text command and its dialog panel. You'll see your cursor ready to define where the text will go. Click and drag on the sketch to draw a rectangle that frames the area for your text. Think of this as the text's sandbox. It defines the region the text will occupy and helps with alignment. The size of this box doesn't permanently lock the text size, but it gives you a good visual guide for placement. If the box isn't quite right, simply release and draw it again until the area feels appropriate for your layout. As soon as the box is set, look to the dialog panel and type your words into the text field. You'll see a live preview appear inside the rectangle you drew. This is where you can refine the look. Choose a font that suits your project, adjust the text height for readability, and set justification options like left, center, or right to control where the text sits within the box. If needed, you can tweak character spacing or apply slant and rotation to match a design style, and you can check the preview as you go to ensure everything lines up nicely on your sketch. A couple of quick tips as you finalize the entry. Keep your text height practical for the scale of your part so it remains legible, and pick clear fonts for small sizes. If you want the text to be used later for operations like engraving or cutting, keeping it on its own clean sketch can make downstream steps simpler. That's all there is to it. Create a sketch, open the text tool, define the area, and type your text in the dialog. With these basics, you can confidently add labels, logos, and notes right where you need them in Fusion 360.